What's up, YouTube? The USPS just dropped off a package. I just opened the end since I'm by myself down here, and I don't have an extra set of hands, so I'm holding the camera. Sorry for the shaky video, but this is KUNWU Big Tao, I believe, that I got. So, nice little, like, it's like linen with, I don't know, like this, like fleece kind of liner pouch. Kind of cool. All right. Some, literature. Microfiber cloth. And that's it. Let me see. Actually, let me move the box. I'm going to switch hands. Give this. All right. It's kind of cool. I don't know if you can see that texture. It's like got this, like, some people call it orange peel. I don't think it looks like orange peel. But it has that texture on it. Got some nice milling right there. That's really nice. I think this is Mukutai pivot ring. I think the hardwares are all titanium. That's the deep pocket carry clip. Sorry, let me move that out of the way. Deep pocket carry clip. Actually, the profile's pretty low. I do like that. Flipper. Pretty smooth. Let me just see if I can clear that. Clean the... some kind of oil. Is it? Yeah, there's some kind of oil on it. Hold on, let me just clean it off on some microfiber towel. It's a belt satin finish. Jimping on the top over here. Good traction. I guess you can... I don't like that. That troll is kind of small. I don't really like that. I do like this groove, finger groove right here. Looks nice. That's the little logo right there. Some milling on the inside to lighten it up. Does it have a steel lock bar? Steel insert for the lock bar. It's nice. I do like it. It looks really nice. It is M390. Not sure what the K703, that must be their like model number or something like that. Kind of decent minimum branding, I guess you can say. Let me see how it whoops. Action is actually pretty good. It's pretty smooth going down. I can't check the blade play, but I'll check later. Go from there. Can you front? I don't know. I don't think I can flip that. Can you? Yeah, you can flip it. I'm not really good at front flipping, but it's smooth. Action's really smooth. Yeah, it's good smooth. I wish I could like check the blade play and the pivot and stuff like that, but I can't, just holding the camera on hand. It's really nice. Let me just give you some size comparison, okay? Here's the bug out. And I also have the Benchmade Freak. It's not a small knife, but it's definitely not a small knife. So if you like carrying the bug out, you probably might not like carrying this. Weight wise, oh, this bug out is definitely lighter. It has a titanium, not titanium, aluminum scales. It's definitely lighter. Still heavier than the Freak. That's expected. But overall, I really like this. It's decent. It's I think it's $185 order for them direct. They also come in. They also have one that has like their version of the access lock. I think it's called like Tao X or something like that. You can go to their website and check it out. But I think this is going to be my carry for a while and try it out. I do like this. Not bad. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.